In this video, I'll show you how to set up post-purchase email automations and abandoned cart automations in Hostinger Reach, so you can bring your email marketing game to the next level. Let's start with post-purchase automations. So first navigate to HPanel, then to Websites list, and click on Manage Store next to your site. Then go to Settings in the left sidebar, click on Checkout, and now here you can link any policies you have, also check the marketing consent form, and fill in any other custom options. Once you're done, hit save. Next, go to Integrations located right here and click Get Started next to the Hostinger Reach integration. Now hit Try Hostinger Reach and you'll be directed to Reach's interface. Now here you'll need to sync all your contacts from the selected site, so just click Connect here and then connect once again. Once that's done, head to the Automations window on the left and click New Automation at the top. Scroll down a bit here and click on this After Purchase Automation. Now you can either select a template to be sent to your customers or generate one with AI. Now I picked the AI option here, and you'll be given some pre-made prompts to choose from, or you can just, of course, write your own. Once you're happy with your template, click Save Changes and then Start Automation. And that's it. Next, let's set up the abandoned cart automation. And this time, let's do it on a WordPress site. So go to your WordPress dashboard, then go to the email marketing section and click on Connect Site. Now just once again here, confirm that you want to connect, and now you have Hostinger Reach integrated into your website. Next, click on Settings right here, and you'll be taken to Reach's interface. Now navigate to Automations and click New Automation. Then scroll down a bit and select Abandoned Cart. Then click Use this flow, and just like in the post-purchase setup, you'll need to generate a template. So pick one of the prompts or write your own, and once you're happy with your template, hit Save Changes. And then start automation. And that's it! I hope this video helped you out, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials.